Are we gold? Dell XPS 15. They brought out a new one that dropped a couple weeks ago with the new Intel 12th gen processors. And today we are going to review this bad boy and see what we think. Let's take a... Where's the Dell? TJ, where's my XPS? So apparently, we don't have it after all. And let me tell you why, people. I pre-ordered it on March the 24th. I pre-ordered a 12th gen i7, 64 gigabytes of the old memory, a 1 terabyte SSD, the 4K, not 3.5, 4K screen, basically the Mac Daddy bad boy. And it came out to about $27.99. So it was hundreds of dollars less than an M1 Max MacBook Pro and a few $100s more than the regular M1 Pro. And it was supposed to be delivered on April the 8th. And apparently I don't have it. And it's now April the 30th. And I have chased Dell. I have asked them where my laptop is. And they tell me it's shipped on April the 8th. Except the shipping shows no tracking. So I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I'm just a YouTube tech reviewer, Dell, trying to make it work, okay? I buy my own gear. I order it on your website like I'm supposed to. You lose my $3,000 laptop. You don't send me a new one. You don't give me my money back. And I can't tell these good folks whether it's any good or not. So I'm putting the video up because I promised you in an earlier video that I was doing a review on a Dell XPS 15. Now I have lost all hope of ever receiving a Dell XPS 15. And if I order a new one today, they're not delivering for like 4 to 6 weeks. By that point, I don't care anymore. And you don't care either because you probably already bought one or gave up and went and bought something else like I did. So I appreciate you watching. I wanted you to just know what's going on behind the scenes and be honest with you. I didn't lie. I really was going to get one for you. And I think it would have been a nice laptop, but hey, maybe I'll win another day. Till next time, if you're enjoying the vids, hit the subscribe button. If you're loving the vids, hit that subscribe button and like button. Share the bad boy, post it on your social feeds and help me grow the channel. And then maybe Mr. Dell will actually send me stuff when they promise. And we'll be able to have a whole lot more fun together. But till next time, let's go out there and be amazing.